How to reduce sugar intake. Naturally, a guide for healthier living. Are you tired of the sugar roller coaster? Do you want to feel more energetic and improve your overall health? This video will guide you through simple, natural strategies to reduce your sugar intake without sacrificing taste or enjoyment. Excessive sugar consumption is linked to numerous health issues. These include weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. It's crucial to be aware of how much sugar you're consuming daily. Many processed foods contain hidden sugars. These sugars often go unnoticed. Reading food labels carefully is the first step to understanding your sugar intake. Become a sugar detective. Learn to spot hidden sugars in your favorite foods. Look beyond the obvious sugar on the ingredient list. Ingredients like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, dextrose, and maltose are all forms of sugar. Be wary of products that list these ingredients high up on the ingredient list. The higher they are, the more sugar the product contains. Small changes can make a big difference. Start by swapping sugary drinks for healthier alternatives. Water, unsweetened tea, and sparkling water are great choices. Instead of sugary cereals, opt for oatmeal or whole grain cereals with no added sugar. Sweeten them naturally with fruits like berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Natural sweeteners can satisfy your sweet tooth without the negative effects of refined sugar. Stevia, erythritol, and monk fruit are good options. These sweeteners have minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Remember to use these sweeteners in moderation. Even natural sweeteners can contribute to cravings if overused. Experiment to find what works best for you. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods in your diet. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are naturally low in sugar. These foods also provide essential nutrients and fiber. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and sugar content of your meals. Experiment with new recipes and flavors to keep things interesting. Always read food labels carefully before purchasing any product. Pay attention to the added sugars listed on the nutrition facts panel. Aim for products with the lowest amount of added sugar. Be aware of serving sizes. The sugar content listed on the label is based on a specific serving size. Adjust your intake accordingly. Sugar cravings can be challenging to manage. Try to identify the triggers that lead to your cravings. Stress, boredom, and lack of sleep can all contribute. When a craving hits, try drinking a glass of water or eating a piece of fruit. Distract yourself with a walk or a hobby. Over time, your cravings will diminish. Don't try to eliminate sugar from your diet overnight. This can lead to intense cravings and setbacks. Instead, gradually reduce your sugar intake over time. Start by making small changes, such as cutting back on sugary drinks or desserts. As you adjust, continue to make further reductions. Protein and fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Include protein and fiber in every meal and snack. This will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and lentils. Fiber-rich foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for sugar cravings. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Staying hydrated can help reduce cravings and improve overall health. Carry a water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Reducing your sugar intake naturally is a journey, not a destination. By implementing these simple strategies, you can significantly improve your health and well-being. Start today by making one small change. Read a food label, swap a sugary drink for water, or add more protein and fiber to your next meal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and share this video with your friends and family who want to live a healthier, sugar-free life. Let us know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first.